There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. I am buying like a bulk order of my groceries, so I'm buying a bunch of freezer stuff and I'm just gonna see how it goes. I'm buying for an entire month, so 4 weeks of groceries. I planned out each day. It was pretty easy. Like every Friday we'll have pizza, every Sunday it will be our eat out day, and then on Tuesdays is like taco day. And then I have a bunch of recipes in a recipe book of like our favorite things. So like once a week we have sesame chicken because we really love that, and that butter chicken's really good. So it's pretty easy to make it. It wasn't hard at all, especially when you have like those repeat things. So I bought, it was like $450 at groceries. Normally I spend like $230 in groceries a week, and sometimes it's not even like a whole week. So I did cut back on things that we don't need because we're trying to like save some money right now. And so seltzer water, I was buying like 3 or 4 packs a week, and those are like $4, and so it adds up. And we could just drink regular water. So yeah, and then I cut out the Diet Cokes. I cut out like the random things I would buy, like for the house. And I'm trying to think what else I might have cut out. But yeah, and so I bought in bulk and just froze stuff, which, thinking about it now, I really need to thaw out some stuff for the rest of the week. So I've already gone through an entire week of cooking the meals, and it's like going by so smoothly. So I'm thinking it's a really good idea to do it this way, and that way I don't just spend money on like frivolous things. So yeah, and that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna another thing that I'm doing is like the meats. I would buy like a lot of them, and so for each recipe I don't need more than like 2 chicken breasts or whatever. Or like I bought like a lot of chicken, like sliced deli meat. So I just like, I'm packaging it up for each week and freezing it by those portions for what I'll need. And if I run out, I can just get it and thaw it. But I was using like 3 chicken breasts for like random recipes when I do it like out of my head instead of like by the recipe, and I would realize that like I would be wasting a whole chicken breast because we wouldn't eat it. So I'm like separating by 2 chicken breasts, and then like the 3 pound of beef I'm separating into 1 pound per beef, because that's where we're at with our family right now, how much we eat per meal. And yeah, so it's been working really good. Even when I was like at my brother's house, which is what is in this video, I was just stopping by the house to put everything in the freezer because we needed stuff. And then that bag of stuff was me packing everything to take to my brother's house because I was watching his dog for an entire week, which there's gonna be a lot more talking in this video. I kind of like when people talk a lot in their videos because it makes me feel like we're friends. And like sometimes when my husband's on night shift, I really enjoy like hearing about other people's lives. It makes me, I guess, feel less lonely. I don't know. I do like the cleaning ones for like in the daytime, but like when I watch it at night, I kind of like whenever they're talking a lot. So I guess I like a mixture, which is what maybe I'll be doing. So yeah, I've actually been watching a cat, some chickens, some plants, my niece and nephew, and my brother's dog. So I've been watching all of those in 1 week. So I've been really busy. So I apologize for the lack of videos. I usually do 2 a week, but this one is definitely going to be a longer one. So I hope it makes up for it. And I should be back on track now because I don't have any cats or dogs or anything to watch. So it should just be normal, I think. Minus My husband is gonna take vacation, so he'll be off for like 3 weeks soon. Well, September. So yeah, but that would just be helpful instead of not helpful. But yeah. Oh, in this video, it's gonna be like, okay, so I guess I'll tell you when I get there about the AC unit. My husband was like really psyched to clean it, and because he thought it would make our house cooler in the day, which by the way, it actually did, because ours hasn't been able to catch up, but it's been caught up for like a day, 2 days. Yeah, it's at 73. It's held at 73 and it's at 73. So our house is staying at temperature, which is insane because it was like he would put it on like 75 and it would still be 79 and it could not catch up. It was so hot in the house. And my husband cannot deal with hot in the house. Like, I've been fine, but I think our bill is like really suffered as well. It's a lot. So hopefully with me staying at my brother's house a week and with me, with him doing that, maybe like we will save some money.
Anxiety creeps up on me. Is this how it's supposed to feel? Tell me when it's over. I got someplace that I gotta be. It won't leave. My friends say, get out of your comfort zone. It's a blessing in disguise. Get out of what you call home. Your name is written in the sky. It might feel just like you're on your own, but baby, it's another lie. Remember, you were made. I try to work, but it doesn't work. I try to say something, but there's no word. I try to justify my actions, less reactions, heart beat raising. Oh, it doesn't work.
Garden update. I don't know why my garden, it looked great not too long ago, and then all of a sudden after those caterpillars, everything just went down the drain. I think I also got sick and didn't water it a few days, and so, but I still had this one tiny tomato that was done. Like, it doesn't look that tiny, but it's super tiny, and we didn't even eat it because, like, what are you gonna do with that? And this right here, when I was like watching all the kids at my brother's house, so my baby, I wasn't watching her for 1 second. She grabbed my cup of coffee and spilled it all over the carpet, which I forgot to tell him this happened, but like it completely disappeared with this method. And I tried other things before I tried this and it didn't come up. So what you do is you like make sure the stain is wet, then you make sure that it's said to actually make a bottle 3/4 of water, 1/4 peroxide. So I just sprayed it though because I found this at their house. And then you get a white rag. Well, the other side is white on this rag. And then you get a steamer and you just like put the rag over it, and then the stain transfers to the rag. And then so that's it. Like later, I wish I would have showed you like as it happened, but I didn't. So but look at it, like that was the first little clip was one like that night, and then the other clip was like the next morning. So it worked very well. This is my brother's dog. I was trying to train it because it's a little crazy. And then this is me cleaning their house. I actually decided to clean their oven just because I was so bored some days.
Been 1 or 2 since I ran into you. Do you need a picture? Well, that gets old. It's hard to take one when your iPhone's full. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue. Not blue. Hey, used to never do what's best for me. I was such a hopeless fool. I just kept making the same mistakes, yeah. That was until I found you. You became the middle way between getting no love and getting way too much. I pray that you're the one who cares for me, cares enough to keep me safe. Just like the sun, you showed me which way I should go, yeah. Just like the wind, you pulled me up when I was low, oh yeah. This time my hopes are up, 'cause you got my heart in your hand. And do what you want, what you want, what you want with it, but don't give it back. You stole my heart from me, but it don't mean that you're a thief. You saved me from myself, 'cause I used to give it out for free. I hope you can keep it safe, keep it locked till we throw it up when I was low. Oh yeah. This time my hopes are up, 'cause you got my heart in your hand. And do what you want, what you want, what you want with it, but don't give it back to me. You stole my heart from me, but it don't mean that you're a thief. You saved me from myself, 'cause I used to give it all for free. I hope you can keep it safe, keep it locked till we throw it a key. You stole my heart from me, 'cause it can't be trusted with me. Can't be trusted, can't be trusted, can't be trusted with me. Can't be trusted, can't be trusted, can't be trusted with me. Can't be trusted, can't be trusted, can't be trusted with me. Can't be trusted, can't be trusted, can't be trusted with me.
So I went to TJ Maxx and I found these little clips. All the purple ones I put up here because I'm going for purple, little accents of purple in every room in my house. And then I bought Rin some clothes because after I got rid of all her 12-month clothes, there wasn't a whole lot left. And I just wanted some cute clothes. I feel like all her other clothes are turning into like play clothes. So I wanted cute ones for just like looking cute, and then play clothes for like going outside. You know, like clothes I don't care if it gets messy, but I thought these were cute, and it was like kind of a deal because it's like 2 outfits in one price. So the outfits were actually from Ross. This pineapple tool looks pretty neat. I buy pineapples a lot, and it like I got that from TJ Maxx, and it was cheaper than I had it in my Amazon cart, so I decided to get it. And same thing with the clips, they were cheaper than the ones in my Amazon cart, and I got more. Also, this is me cleaning my brother's house some more. In this vacuum, I was like, oh, I like trying. Oop, my baby's playing. I like trying new vacuums and stuff. This one was like kind of nice. I like the light because they have dog hair and you can see it like clean it up and stuff, but it actually was like, I don't know, like I had to keep stepping on it to make it like go off the rug, so I don't really recommend that one. Also, our TV broke, so I was glad to be at my brother's house so we could use that TV. My husband called and like got, we did have the 4-year warranty and it was almost up, and it was just the bulbs. So he looked up a bunch of videos and we decided we were going to try to replace the bulbs ourselves, but then we also ended up getting a refund because of that warranty. So we are gonna get $400. The light bulbs only cost $30, and then while our baby was napping, we did this in 2 hours, and then so we just made like $450. minus the $30 for the light bulbs. Also, if you're just like curious, like if you're just curious, like what is inside a TV, like I was, that's why I put this in here. And unfortunately, the light strips that I won off of somebody else's bye bye also off of someone else's YouTube, they did die after doing this, so that was unfortunate. It was because my husband like screwed them into a part, and then I like tried to get it out and it ripped, so that was unfortunate, but it's okay because this ended up working, so it's pretty cool. It was just the light, like and the light was at the very back of the TV, so yep. Also on the side of this, when I get up, I'm like scraping, there's like a hole behind the TV, and I put caulk or whatever in there, and then, or plaster, whatever it's called, and I was just like sanding it down. So if you see me walk over the side and my feet are doing something weird, that's what that is.
It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We drove to New Jersey. Your eyes saying I'll be worried. You said it was nothing, but I know you get buried in the sorrow of us, in the sorrow of us. How did we end up here? We used to laugh so hard. When did we stop loving, babe? When did it all go too far? We don't listen when we talk. We fight fire with fire. It's like we don't know how to talk without the phrase getting higher. You hear when I hear me, yeah, nothing else in between, yeah. Try to connect without making a scene, but we don't listen when we talk. We don't listen when we talk. I know you have your reasons to yell at me tonight, baby. Can we see this as a lesson? Then maybe we should open up the sorrow of us, the sorrow of us. How did we end up here? We used to laugh so hard. When did we stop loving, babe? When did it all go too far? We don't listen when we talk. We fight fire with fire. It's like we don't know how to talk without the phrase getting higher. You hear when I hear me, yeah, nothing else in between, yeah. Try to connect without making a scene, but we don't listen when we talk. Don't ask me to leave, 'cause I wanna stay. Don't ask me to leave, 'cause I wanna stay. We don't listen when we talk. We fight fire with fire. It's like we don't know how to talk without the phrase getting higher. You hear when I hear me, yeah, nothing else in between, yeah. Try to connect without making a scene, but we don't listen when we talk. We don't listen when we talk.
So my husband is about to spray the unit, like the AC unit, whatever the thing's called, And he bought this, the HVAC coil cleaner, because apparently you're supposed to do it like... Yeah. Yeah. You're supposed to do it pretty often, and we haven't done it in like 4 years. But ours was brand new. It was one of the things we required whenever we moved in for them to purchase. Also bought a Scrub Mommy, the pink one, while we were at Lowe's to get this. He got some screws. He's gonna build a plant holder, and I'll show you all that as well. But yeah, I'm gonna show you his whole process in case you're just like curious. But yeah.
Yeah, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did now. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. Time, I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste time on fake friends. I just wanna get high, I just wanna get high, I just wanna get higher. Sometimes people will try to hold you back from being who you want to. Don't be questioning why, do whatever feels right, find your passion and fight. Cause we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. Only got one chance, got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems